Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill. Class 5 English version Math. Topic Problems involving 4 rules. Exercise 3. Question number 11 and 12. These are similar problems. We will try to solve both. Divisor is 78, the quotient is 25, and the remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. What is the dividend? We know what is divisor and quotient and remainder, all these. We know when we divide something, the number that we divide is known as dividend. So dividend, the number that we divide and by which we divide, that is called divisor. And the result we get, that is quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T, quotient. And if there is any remainder, that is called remainder. Okay, there is a formula, that is dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So let's have a look at the question. We have divisor, we have quotient, we have divisor also. We have divisor, we have quotient, and we have remainder also. How? They said remainder is 1/3 of divisor. So if divisor is 78 and we divide it by 3, we get the remainder. And then we get the dividend, the value of dividend. Okay, let us solve the question number 11. Divisor 78, quotient 25, and remainder is 1/3 of divisor. Okay, so can we find the remainder first? Yes, we can. Remainder equals to 1/3 of divisor. 1/3 of divisor is 78. 78 equals to 2 and 6, 26. Remainder. Okay, now we got everything. We got divisor, we got quotient, we got remainder. So we just put the value dividend. What we have to find here? Dividend. So dividend equals to divisor into quotient, means 78 into 25. 78 into 25 plus remainder plus 26. How much? 78 into 25. Let us try 78 and 25. 0, 4, 5 into 7, 35, and 4, 39. 8 into 2, 16, 7 into 2, 14, and 1, 15, 0, 9 and 6, 15, 9 and 1, 1950 equals to 1950 plus 26 equals to 1976. So that is the answer. 1976. Now next question, 12. We have to find the quotient. The quotient we have to find. Since we have to find the quotient, let us take this side on the left and bring dividend on the right. It doesn't make any change. It's the same thing. We just change the side. Okay, we can write divisor into quotient plus remainder equals to dividend. I haven't changed anything, I just changed the side. Okay, now we have got the value of dividend and we got divisor 87 into quotient we don't know, we have to find out. So quotient quotient plus remainder, the value of remainder is 29. 29 equals to dividend is 8903. So 87 quotient if we deduct 29 from both sides, what we get? We get equals to 8903 minus 29. What we did? We have deducted 29 from both sides. By deducting 29 from both sides. Okay. How much is it? 87. We have to say therefore 87 into quotient quotient equals to, how much is it? 8903 minus 29. 8903 minus 29. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10, 11, 12, 13 is 4. 2 and 1, 3, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 7. Then 1 here, then 8, 8,874. 8,874. Now 87 quotient equals to 8,874. So 1 quotient equals to, it's like orange. 87 orange is this much taka, and 1 orange divided by 87. quotient. So quotient equals to 8,874 divided by 87. Let us divide by 87. 87 divides 8,874. So what we get? 1, then 87, then 1 here. We bring 7. So we have to put a 0 now. 4, so 2. 174. No remainder is done. So equals to 102, and that is the answer. 102. I think you could follow me. Thank you very much. আল্লাহ হাফেজ।